Unit 6, Lesson 2. Track 37. Listen and check your answers.
Where do you work?
I work at the Red Crescent Hospital.
Do you have to wear a uniform at work?
Yes, I have to wear a uniform at work.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job very much.
How long do you have to work?
Oh, I usually have to work 10 hours a day.
Is it hard work?
Yes, it's very hard work, but I like taking care of sick people.
How long did you have to study?
I had to study for 4 years.
Do you want to be a doctor?
No, I don't want to be a doctor. I love my job.
How many people do you see every day?
Every day? Oh, I usually see about 40 or 50 people every day.